March 30, 2016. So that means I am celebrating 1 year on YouTube. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm in Will.
What's up guys? What's up vlog?
Bella's over there. Hi Bella. Hi. We finally met. Hey guys, it's Max here. Welcome back to my channel. Alam ko kung sino ang mukha ko. Itong girl.
My name is Lexy Rodriguez. I'm a 15-year-old Filipina fashion, travel, and lifestyle blogger.
Hey guys, it's Lexy here. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, hi, I'm Lexy Rodriguez. I'm an 18-year-old Filipina YouTuber. So as you guys can see from the title, today's video is going to be super exciting because we're finally going to be unboxing my YouTube silver play button. So we hit 100,000 subscribers not so long ago, and before we start with this video, I want to thank you guys so much for the unending love and support. I definitely feel the love and I can't wait to create more content for you guys. So you guys know the drill. If you have any video suggestions, leave it in the comments down below and I'll try my best to make them. Anyways, without further ado, let's get started. Okay you guys, so this is it. Finally, I have my scissors right here. Hindi ko talaga siya binuksan. I think I received this probably almost a week ago, I would say, or like 4 days ago. Pero I didn't open it because I really wanted to film it for you guys. Ang dami talaga nag-request ng unboxing video. And honestly, yeah, it did take me quite a few years to be able to achieve this milestone, na 100,000. I would say I've been here on YouTube for 4-5 years now. And it is quite a journey to be able to reach this milestone. I guess it's because my point rin sa YouTube nasin, medyo di ako masyadong consistent. Like, mag-upload ako, tapos di ako mag-upload. I don't know, like, I didn't want to force myself kasi back then to post videos if hindi ko feel. But you know, recently, I feel like my YouTube game has been pretty strong. I'm able to upload naman weekly for you guys. And I'm so happy na natutuwa kayo sa uploads ko. Okay, eto na siya guys. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Oh, okay. So it comes with a letter. Yan. Oh my gosh, it's my play button. Wait, let me read the letter first. I'm gonna put this here. Okay, so it says, you've just done something that very few YouTubers creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. And they just said a lot more, and this one is from Susan, of CEO of YouTube, and then it also comes with a small card like this. So eto na guys, let's check out my YouTube play button. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm speechless. Oh, it's so pretty. Wait, let me take it out of the box. Yan. Oh my gosh! Okay, so naka-plastic pa siya. Let's take it out. Oh my gosh! So here's my play button, you guys! It just says presented to Lexy Rodriguez for passing 100,000 subscribers, and then YouTube over here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's finally here! I'm so happy. As in, basically that is it for this video. Ang bilis lang pala mag-unbox, no? But I do want to say a couple of stuff na just to motivate you guys rin. If nag-iisip kayo mag-start ng YouTube channel, definitely start it. But I would highly suggest don't start because of the money. Because ako personally, hindi ko naman alam dati na you can earn. And it's not the reason why I continue YouTube. It's because I feel like I am able to make someone's day, or I like to entertain people. I like to, you know, do things and share it with you guys. Kaya I really like vlogging because, you know, I'm able to express myself in a way. So if you guys think na YouTube is for you, definitely start. I highly recommend. And do something that you truly love. Not everyone will love you. There will definitely be hate along the way. There was a point sa YouTube career or YouTube journey ko na madami talaga akong haters kasi they said na I'm so konyo daw, I'm so arte, ang hilip ko daw mag-shop. But I'm like, I shouldn't adjust myself for them, you know, that's me. And eventually, like right now, I'm really happy with all of you guys. You guys finally see who I am. Like, yes, I would say naman, I'm really konyo, and inaamin ko naman yun. Wala akong magawa because that's how I talk. I really speak Taglish. So yeah, before I get affected with the hates, and my mom would also get affected. But you know, at the end of the day, you'd realize that there are more people who actually appreciate you, and you shouldn't focus on the negative side. Huge feeling now that this video is short, but I literally just wanted to unbox this play button because, as I said at the start of the video, this is not just my accomplishment, but you guys as well, because I want to be able to accomplish this if you guys don't stick by my side, watch my videos, and subscribe to my channel. That's why I can't wait to create more content for you guys. I just want to say thank you so much all my Lexinators fam for always believing in me and supporting me. Yung mga OG talaga na back in 2016, 2017. I love you guys so much, and especially the new ones who are subscribed to my channel. Hope you guys enjoy your stay here, and I hope that I'll be able to create more content that you guys will enjoy, and I'll be able to inspire you guys or motivate you through the videos I make. So yeah, that is basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing always and supporting. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!